Hey guys, this is Jessie with Timber Taylor Doodles. I am here with Ruby's beautiful teacup Goldendoodle boy. This cute little boy will weigh around 8 to 11 pounds full grown. He is just little. He is dark red in color. Look at his cute little tail. This cute little boy will have a wavy curly coat as an adult. He is 5 weeks old right now. He'll be ready to go home on December 21st, so right before Christmas. He is just absolutely stunning. This whole litter is very laid back, very mellow and loving. They've been raised around children, so they do really great. He is just teeny, as you can see, just tiny and adorable. This is Ruby's green collar boy, and he is a teacup Goldendoodle, and he is just stunning. If you have any questions or want more information, DM us or check out our website. This is Green Collar Boy. Hey guys, this is Jessie with Timber Taylor Doodles. I am here with Black Collar Boy in Ruby's teacup Goldendoodle litter. This cute boy will weigh 10 to 12 pounds full grown. He'll be ready to go home on December 21st, so right before Christmas. Look how beautiful his coat is. He will be wavy curly. He'll look just like a teddy bear, so not have that tight poodle curl. He'll be wavy curly. This cute boy will be hypoallergenic and be non-shedding. He will weigh 10 to 12 pounds full grown. Look at his beautiful red color and then his cute little teddy bear face. He is absolutely stunning. This whole litter is very laid back and mellow. They will have a head start on potty training and crate training, so they will be easy to potty train. This is Black Collar Boy in Ruby's teacup Goldendoodle litter.